Is your garage door testing your patience with its slow response times? If your door is taking longer than usual to open or close, this could be a sign of underlying issues with the opener or other mechanical components. Don't let a sluggish garage door slow down your day. If you're in the Haywards Bay area, take action by calling us at 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to speed up your garage door's operation, ensuring it functions efficiently and reliably. Call today for fast, expert garage door repair in Haywards Bay, because your time is valuable.